Hey everyone, it's Caleb from Wondershare Filmora, here to empower your inner video creator. Your freedom to creativity now begins with the all-new Filmora 12. It's packed with smart, exciting features to help you unleash your creativity. Like audio stretch and the new Denoise features. Like vocal enhancer, de-reverb, and wind removal. If you haven't already, you can download Filmora 12 at the official Filmora website, filmora.wondershare.com, or at the link in the description. Now let's start with the audio stretch tool. Have you ever found the perfect song for your video and then realized it's just a little too long or too short for the footage? Well, with the new AI audio stretch tool, you can retime that music and fix your problem. First, drag your song below your footage onto an audio track. When we listen back, our audio is not long enough. So, click the audio stretch icon, and then drag the side of your music clip and extend it to the length of your footage. Now, when we listen again, the music will be retimed to fit the duration of our video. No need to make any cuts or repeat any songs over again. We're done. You can also shorten audio that's too long. The AI will do all the work for you and help you end your video in style. So you get home from filming a video, and it sounds like this. Hey everyone, Caleb here from Wondershare Filmora, here to empower your inner video creator. That audio has noise, reverb, hisses, hums, and it's just a little bit too quiet. Luckily, Filmora 12 has new audio features to help reduce all of those sounds. Simply double-click the clip with all of the noise. It'll open up a menu that allows us to adjust everything we need. We can use normalization to bring our clip up to a better volume. Then, toggle on the AI voice enhancement and wind removal to get a much better sound. Finally, we can use denoise, de-reverb, as well as hum and hiss removal to fine-tune our audio even more. Once we listen back to the clip, it should sound a lot better. Hey everyone, Caleb here from Wondershare Filmora, here to empower your inner video creator. I hope you guys are excited to use these amazing new audio tools. Let us know in the comments if you've tried Filmora 12, and if you haven't, you can download it at filmora.wondershare.com or through the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for new videos on the channel. Keep creating, and I'll see you next time.